वज़ीर-ए-आला आंध्र प्रदेश चंद्रबाबू नायडू ने फ़िकी नेशनल एग्जीक्यूटिव कमेटी इजलास में एक इनकलाबी कदम का ऐलान किया। उन्होंने बताया कि रियासत में व्हाट्सएप गवर्नेंस के तहत 15 अगस्त से 703 मुख्तलिफ सरकारी खदमात आवाम को दस्तियाब होंगी। उन्होंने कहा कि किसी भी शहरी को अब किसी काम के लिए सरकारी दफ्तर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी।
Recently, we got very good advantage. Some of the ArcelorMittal steel plant is coming, 1,45,000 crores. BPCL, one more port they are coming with their project around 1 lakh crores. Even LG Electronics in Sri City, 10,000 crores. And also on green energy alone, we are going 10 lakh crores investment within 5 years' time. It is going to create 7.5 lakh employment. We are planning balanced development. You are willing to come, backward areas, we are going more incentives. That is the policy I have taken. That is where Rayalaseema is green energy, electronics, aerospace, defense, and also all high-tech industries in Rayalaseema. North Coastal Andhra, Visakhapatnam as hub, we are going in a big way. Google is coming. Sea cable, we are going to get it from Singapore to Visakhapatnam, and also chemical industry in a big way, pharmaceuticals and tourism, and also steel manufacturing in a big way in Visakhapatnam. Godavari districts are very strong in aquaculture, food processing, that is another area. Amaravati, Quantum Valley, innovations, and also futuristic technologies, and other areas we are going here. And ultimately, I am appealing all of you, technology how we are using, one example I am giving. Within 1 year, all my government services are online. As on today, by using WhatsApp governance, because WhatsApp is very popular, everybody is using. Otherwise, through app also I can provide services that is not used by customers as on today. Around 703 services I am providing manually as on yesterday. Today, 503 services.
इस दौरान वज़ीर-ए-आला चंद्रबाबू नायडू ने अहम बयान देते हुए कहा कि करप्शन पर काबू पाने के लिए 500 रुपये के नोटों को भी मनसूख किया जाना चाहिए। उन्होंने कहा कि मुख्तलिफ शोबों में करप्शन और काला धन का धंधा 500 रुपये के नोटों के ज़रिए चल रहा है और अगर इन नोटों को रद्द कर दिया जाए तो शफाफियत बढ़ेगी और गैर कानूनी लेन देन में कमी आएगी।
Now I am promoting 500 rupees also should be abolished. Why I am saying, slowly in South India, people are distributing. We are doing everything. In elections, we have to give money for the voters. If you give voters money, where you are going to get that money? Politics, we are polluting. Then every field, we are polluting. That is where I am not now. For the last 15 years, I am promoting the concept. 2,000 rupees at that time also I request Honorable Prime Minister, abolish, you are asking me to give report, this is a digital currency. You are introducing now 2,000 rupees. How can we justify? That is what I request him at the time. He told me it is only temporary, stopgap arrangement. In course of time it will go. After that 1,000 rupees has also gone. Only 500 is there. Ultimately 100 or 200, everybody should go for digital currency. Even common man, vendor, even pushcart fellow, he is very busy, he is not taking money. He is saying only thing, if you give money, I have to go to court, to the bank, I don't have time. You give digital currency.